How to turn off background app refresh on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up settings on your device. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on about device. Now scroll down and tap on version. Now tap on version number 7 times. Now simply go back. Now tap on the search bar. Now type background. Now tap on background process limit. Now tap on it. Now make sure to select standard limit. Now once you're done, go back to the home screen. Now open up your recent apps. Tap on three dots. Now click on manage. Now under unlocked, simply lock the application you do not want to refresh. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.